Okay, how to change the things into percentages, guys. You see, normally when we are making your results, suppose there is we have taken a test which is out of 40 marks there. Okay, like a student has got 32 out of 40, and I want to know that what are these marks out of 50. How can I change these marks? And I want to know that how many marks are these out of 50. How can I do this? Yes, any idea? Or maybe I have these marks and I want to see then that how much these marks are out of 60. Okay, so what goes here? Or maybe the same marks, and I want to see that how many of these marks would be if I have to keep them out of 100. So how can I find the numbers in these boxes? Any idea? Yes?
Sir,
No
we can
idea?
multiply it with that number.
Or Hassan, the better answer is that you multiply this by 50 over 50. You multiply this by 60 over 60. You multiply this by 100 over 100. In mathematics, we cannot just multiply a number with anything. Yes, we can multiply a number with 1 anytime. This 50 over 50 is basically representing a 1. Okay, so we'll keep this 50 here, but we'll simplify all of this and we'll write it over here. Okay, so you see that this is going to be 4, these zeros cancel, this 4 8s are 32. So this is 8 times 5, so that is going to be 40. So 32 out of 40, same as 40 out of 50. You want to know that how many of these marks are out of 60? You keep this 60 over here and you simplify all of them. Okay, this is 4 8s are, so this is going to be 48 out of 60. And this is here, you keep this 100 down here and you simplify all of this. So you have this is cancelled. So you have 80 over here. So out of all of these, this is basically representing a percentage. So whenever you have to change anything into a percentage, you simply multiply that number by 100%. 100%. This multiplied by 100%. This multiplied by 100%. This multiplied by 100%. So look at this. This multiplied by 100%. So out of all of these, when you simplify them, you don't do anything with the percent sign. You see this quarter times 100%. You simplify these. This is 4 ones are, 4 25s are. So this is going to be resulting as 25%. Okay. This will result as 10%. And you can write this as a fraction right now if you don't have the calculator. 700 over 8%. Okay, this is going to be 33 whole 1 over 3%. So that is how you can change the given fraction or a decimal or whatever into a percentage. Okay, I'm going to give you a challenge over here, guys. Let me see who would tell me that how to write this x as a percentage. Tell me what is this x as a percentage? Yeah, be quick. You were right. Why were you not saying? So if you want to change this into a percentage, you have to multiply this by 100%. So this is going to be 100x percent. This is 100x percent. So if you have to write x as a percentage, this would be 100x percent. Okay, you want to write 2x as a percentage. So whatever you have to multiply it by 100%. So this is going to be 200x percent. Okay, now tell me if you have already x percent, what this would be as a decimal if it is x percent. Let me see who tells x percent as a decimal.
X over 100.
As a decimal,
Decimal
it
extra.
is clearly x over 100, but I want you to tell me This is as a fraction. I want you to tell me that what would this be as a decimal? 0.00x. So that is a common mistake here. You should assume that this is basically 1 over 100x. So this is 0.01x. Please remember, many of the students write this as 0.00x. 0.00x is basically 0. This is representing a 0 here, okay? So this has to be, this is not the right answer. So this one is the right answer. X percent as a decimal is 0.01x. Okay, if it is 2x percent, so this should be 0.02x. Okay, so please remember this. Okay, inshallah tomorrow we'll be moving on to the question 4 onwards. Okay.